Hey everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that I believe is incredibly important for our personal growth and overall well-being: how to control your mind. Whether you're dealing with stress, distractions, or negative thoughts, mastering your mind can make a world of difference. So, let's get started. We all know that our mind is powerful. It can be our greatest ally or our worst enemy. But the good news is, with the right techniques, you can train your mind to work for you rather than against you. Today, we're going to combine modern techniques with ancient wisdom from Stoicism to help you gain control over your mind. Here are 5 steps that will help you, along with practical exercises you can start doing today. Step 1. Awareness. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. You can't change what you're not aware of, so the first thing you need to do is start paying attention to your thoughts. Take 5 minutes each day to sit quietly and write down whatever thoughts come to mind. Don't filter or judge them, just let them flow onto the paper. Try doing this first thing in the morning or just before bed. This practice, often called stream of consciousness journaling, can reveal a lot about your mental habits and help you become more self-aware. Step 2. Mindfulness meditation. The Stoics practiced a form of meditation called premeditatio malorum, which means premeditation of evils. It's about preparing your mind for potential challenges and being present in the moment. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment, then exhale through your mouth. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Start with just 5 minutes a day. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually increase the time. Consistency is key here, so try to make it a daily habit. Step 3. Positive affirmations. Marcus Aurelius, one of the great Stoic emperors, wrote daily reflections to remind himself of his principles and values. Every morning, stand in front of the mirror and say 3 positive affirmations out loud. For example, I am in control of my mind, I am capable of achieving my goals, or I choose to be happy and calm. It might feel awkward at first, but stick with it. Over time, these affirmations will start to rewire your brain to focus on the positive aspects of your life. Write them down and place them where you can see them daily, like on your bathroom mirror or your workstation. Step 4. Physical exercise. Regular physical activity is not just good for your body, it's great for your mind too. The Stoics believed in maintaining a healthy body to support a healthy mind. Commit to at least 30 minutes of physical activity every day. This could be anything from jogging, yoga, dancing, or even a brisk walk. If you're short on time, even a quick home workout can do wonders. Try a mix of jumping jacks, push-ups, and squats. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, and helps reduce anxiety and improve sleep. Remember, the goal is to find something you enjoy so that you can stick with it consistently. Step 5. Limiting negative influences. Your environment plays a huge role in shaping your thoughts and emotions. The Stoics taught that we should focus on what we can control and let go of what we can't. Do a digital detox. Spend a day or even just a few hours away from social media and news. Notice how it affects your mood and mindset. Declutter your physical space as well. A tidy environment can lead to a clearer mind. Surround yourself with things that make you happy and remove anything that brings negative. Be mindful of the people you spend time with too. Seek out those who uplift and support you, and limit time with those who drain your energy. As Epictetus said, the key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. So there you have it, 5 steps to help you control your mind: awareness, mindfulness meditation, positive affirmations, physical exercise, and limiting negative influences. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. Be patient with yourself and keep practicing these steps daily. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Comment below on which step you're going to start with today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.